Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you legitimate ways to get free Discord Nitro. So first, what you want to do is go to your mobile app. So since Discord gives free Nitro on mobile app, the requirements is that you have never subbed into Nitro before, or you haven't downloaded the app before in your phone. And that's just on the desktop app, which is Discord has a 1 month Discord Nitro for everyone right here. So it started from January 21st to April 1st, 2024. So here are the offer details and who's eligible for that particular promo right here. Users who have had an active Nitro membership or not trial. So as you can see, so if you want to redeem this, make sure that you can reach this quota right here, or the date where you could redeem this particular promo. And as you can see, guys, I am using that as of the moment right here. So I just went to the user settings here, went to Nitro, and here is where you can go and try that free trial for Discord Nitro. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.